Okay, welcome to this training. One of my channels has been demonetized, and this is the reason. Said after reviewing your channel using a combination of automated system and human reviews, we found that it does not follow YouTube channel monetization policy. So our review found that your channel contained the following. So they said I use reuse content, and because of that, no longer monetize, isn't earning right now. So you have to be careful what you do on your channel so that you don't become a victim of being demonetized. I use some programs. I use CapCut to do some YouTube shorts, and I guess it must be one of the reasons I have this demonetization. These are things they say you shouldn't do. Examples of what is not allowed to monetize: say short videos that you compile from other social media websites, collection of songs from different artists, even if you have their permission. So for those of us that have collection of songs from different artists, you collect it, and when you collection of funds, you can't use it on YouTube. It's not allowed, except you don't want to monetize your channel. And also clips of moments from your favorite show, edited together with little or no narrative. If you have clips, okay, and you edit them and combine them, if you have if there's little or no narratives on it, it's not allowed. Okay, content uploaded many times by other creators. So those of you that go to other creators to collect content and then you upload, you will enjoy it while you are not monetized, but as soon as you are monetized, you are at risk of doing such thing. And promotion of other people's content, even if you have their permission. So you promote other people's content, well, even if you have their permission, it's not allowed. So but there are things that are allowed. They say you can a funny or thoughtful revision of content that you didn't originally create. Okay, you can, is allowed. Clips of other people's content as part of a critical review, you can review other people's content and is allowed. A scene from a movie where you've written the dialogue and changed the voiceover. So you can get movies, you have a clip, a scene of movies, and you rewrite the dialogue and then you change the voiceover. You can replay sports tournaments where you explain what a competitor did to succeed or fail. You just copy a sports tournament, then explain certain things on it, is allowed. And you can also reaction videos where you comment on other original videos. You can get original video, then comment on it. Have edited footage from other creators where you add a storyline or commentary. But in this case, you also have to be careful, because sometimes these rules are not all that clear, and when you receive a strike or you get this kind of mail, it will affect your content. It will affect it, and though you'll still be allowed to reapply, but it's better to avoid it. I will have to go to my content, and I deleted more than half of the shots. I've deleted all of them, so to be sure that anything that looks like reused content is removed. Then I'll still have chance to reapply, though it affected a lot of things. I still have my subscribers. The watch hour reduced, so I'm now building up again. So just make sure you don't fall a victim of having going against YouTube channel monetization policy, because if you do, they might not spare you, and it will affect a lot of things. I wish you the best so that you not make such mistake. Please, I will appreciate your reaction at the comment section.